What is going on, everybody? How are we doing? Welcome. Today, we're going to be talking about attachments on records. So, let's just jump right into it. As you can see, I have three tabs open. My first one is my background scripts. My second one is a record that I will be adding an attachment to. And the last is the sys attachments table. So here are the background scripts. I have some comments here that's going to help us lead through this conversation. So in ServiceNow, uploaded attachments are associated with a specific record via the sys attachment table. So on the sys attachment table, when a document is uploaded to the record, you're going to notice that the link between the record and the sys attachment table is this table sys ID. And that's why we have that right here in line 10 of our script. So to give you an example, here we are on my CAA game log, and what I want to do is I want to attach a picture of the game stats to this. So what I am going to do is I'm going to choose file, desktop. Well, I can just go ahead and add this here. Cool. So here we are. I'm gonna save this, and then on the attachment table, if we refresh, you're going to see the screenshot. Now, what we're gonna do here with our script is we want to query the table, find our record, and see if it has an attachment on that record. So what we're going to do here is we're going to replace line 6. We're going to add the sysID of the record to our variable right here. So we're going to click back into our game log record. We're going to copy the sysID, and we are going to copy and paste. So let's go ahead and look at this. So we have our attachment.gr query. We are going to check for the record and make sure it has an attachment to it. And then I have a little if else here. If we're going to have an info message pops up that either tells us that it does or does not have an attachment to it. So let's go ahead and run this script. You can see the record has at least one attachment, and there's our validation in between the three tabs. So the reason why I bring this up is because I had a requirement once where the customer wanted to make sure that there was an attachment on the record before the record could be saved. So this is an example of how you're going to do that. Remember that you're not going to be querying the table that the record is on. You're going to be querying the sys attachments table to verify that the record is there. And the way that the record and the attachment are connected is through this sys table sys ID right here. So that wraps it up for today, folks. And if you have any questions, if you'd like me to copy and paste this code into the comment section, I'd be more than happy. Reach out if you have any other things that you'd like to talk about. Again, remember, subscribe, like, comment, tell a friend, tell an enemy. We'll see you next time.